Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payments paid on Iqiyi. Now, the first thing you need to do is to check to make sure you have enough balance in your payment account. Then if you're using the Google or the Apple Pay, what you gotta do is that you cannot jump to the payment page. So try again after updating the version of the Google app or Apple Store. The problem is still unsolved, so let's submit it in the feedback in the app with your frequently used email address. Then Iqiyi will handle it for you via email reply. If you cannot complete the payments on the payment page, you can consult the customer service of Google or Apple Store. Now, I repeat, if you cannot jump to the payment page, that's when you are going to try by updating the version of the Google or App Store. And if the problem is still unsolved, then you submit this problem in the feedback in the app with your frequently used email address. Now, if you're using bank card payment and the payment failed, please check if your bank card information is correct and whether there's an international payment limit. Then if you were notified that was a risky transaction when you were trying to purchase it, maybe the reason is that you have tried to pay too many times that day. So we suggest that you try again after 24 hours. If your payment fails again, then submit your problem with a screenshot of failed payment via feedback on the web. Hope you found this video helpful.